Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You will also need a replacement AC cable compatible with the Dyson AM05. Start by unplugging the unit from the mains to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the base of the Dyson AM05. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off the unit. Be cautious, as there may be some internal components that could be dislodged during this process. With the base removed, you will see the internal wiring. Identify the AC cable connected to the power supply. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry open the connector that holds the cable in place. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once the connector is free, use your pliers to gently pull the old AC cable out of the unit. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components. This will help maintain the efficiency of your Dyson AM05. Now, take your new AC cable and thread it through the same pathway as the old cable. Ensure that it is securely connected to the power supply. Reattach the connector, making sure it is firmly in place. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your Dyson serviced without any hassle. After the new cable is connected, carefully replace the base of the unit. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure all screws are tightened adequately to prevent any rattling or movement during operation. Finally, plug the Dyson AM5 back into the mains and test the new cable by turning the unit on. If everything is functioning correctly, you have successfully replaced the AC cable. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We also provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In summary, replacing the AC cable on your Dyson AM05 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Remember, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, making the repair process as convenient as possible for you. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.